Showbiz fanatics Catherine Bernardo's Mami Min abay sobrang naging emosyonal sa kanyang huling mensahe para kay Miss Catherine Bernardo sa kanyang official Instagram account. Ang lahat ng yan, but before that, if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe at i-hit mo na rin ang notification bell for more showbiz updates. Bago tayo magpatuloy sa ating updates for today's video, of course, ayos ka po muna magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga legit viewers, subscribers, at ang lahat ng mga legit na nagmamahal at sumusubaybay sa lahat ng ating mga updates. Maraming salamat po. At bago tayo mag-start, let's watch this. Isa ito sa mga pangyayari po pagkatapos ng FAMAS Award kung saan ay meron ngang surpresang nag-aantay kay Miss Catherine. Watch this.
Oh my God, I have so many flowers!
You did it!
Dali, picture ka.
Yan ay ilan lamang sa mga video clip na sumalubong dito po kay Miss Catherine Bernardo na kung saan siya po ay binigyan ng parangal dito po sa FAMAS Award at sinalubong siya ng kanya pong daddy at ganoon din ang kanyang mga kapatid na nagbigay ng kanyang bulaklak. Sinabi nga ni Miss Catherine na talagang sobrang daming nagpadala at nagbigay sa kanya ng bulaklak to congratulate them for winning the Best Actress sa FAMAS Award. Pero syempre, ganoon po katindi yung kanyang pasasalamat dahil sa mga walang sawang suportang ibinigay sa kanya ng kanyang mga fans at sa katatapos lang na event. So dahil po dito, hindi na rin naiwasan ni Mami Min na maglabas ng kanyang saloobin or naging emosyonal sa kanya pong official Instagram account post pagkatapos po ng pangyayaring ito. Catherine Bernardo's Mami Min gush about how proud she is of her daughter after the actress Momentuous win at the 72 Filipino Academy of Movie Arts and Sciences FAMAS Award. It was already held last May 26. This year's show saw Catherine clinging her first Best Actress trophy for her performance in her 2023 black comedy thriller film A Very Good Girl. On her Instagram page, Min posted a video of her heartwarming moments as a family wherein Catherine's father, Teodoro, greeted the actress with bouquet of flowers as she came home to their new house in Rizal. The video then showed throwback pictures of Catherine from her childhood. In the caption, Min took trip down memory lane as she recalled how her daughter's showbiz career first started. Sabi niya, "One day you said, Mama, Papa, gusto ko mag-artista. Wala naman sa family natin ng artista pero bata ka pa lang, alam mo na ang gusto mong gawin," she wrote. And now, here we are, reflecting through your journey. I can say na sobrang proud kami sa'yo, anak. Remembering how you face every struggle and challenge na napagdaanan mo natin as a family, she added. Min highlighted how watching Catherine Bernardo's Catherine's overcome everything and grow into an amazing person has been one of their greatest blessing. I never knew how strong you are until I saw your determination and you bounce back every afterfall. You remain positive and kind to the world no matter what, she wrote. She went on to advise her daughter to never let go of her dreams and to never give up even if the road ahead is challenging one. Make yourself your own competition. Always keep that spirit that brought you this far. Andito lang kami para sa iyo. You have earned every bit of this success, sabi ni Mami Min. Congratulations, our Best Actress. We love you, anak, she added. So ganito po yung mga mensahe ni Mami Min para sa kanyang anak na ni Miss Catherine Bernardo. At sinabi niya dito na sobrang daming ang pinagdaanan ng kanyang anak. Talagang marami siyang mga downfall, heartaches na pinagdaanan. And definitely, Miss Mami Min was really proud na nasaksihan niya yon kasama ng kanyang anak. So, apart from FAMAS win, Catherine was also recognized as a box office queen by the Box Office Entertainment Award for A Very Good Girl. The box office king title, meanwhile, went to Alden Richards for 5 breakups and a romance. The local star is currently working on sequel on the blockbuster 2019 film Hello, Love, Goodbye with her co-star Alden. So, abangan po natin dahil talaga namang sinabi po ni Miss Catherine Bernardo sa kanyang interview na yun po yung isa sa mga nilulook forward niya ngayon dahil pinaghahandaan po talaga nila ng gusto ni Alden Richards yung kanila pong movie na sequel ng Hello Love Again. So, let's wait and see for that dahil malapit na po yan. And for that, narito naman ang ilan sa mga komento po ng ilan sa mga viewers po natin. Unahin natin si Rasonia. Alden, you will not be able to easily erase what Kat experienced during 11 years of love with DJ. She loved DJ with all her heart and engraved in her mind and her heart what Kat and DJ spent together. The first love never dies, never. Even if you are married, it takes a long time to no longer remember what first love is. Ayan. So, ito po yung kanyang komento patungkol po dito sa ating pong last update. Pero, syempre, totoo naman po yung sinasabi po ni Ma'am Shino na Alden Richards will never erase the 11 years of love na na-experience po nila ng Katniel. Pero, ang pinapoint out dito ni Alden Richards is during those times na yon is parang gusto po nila na mag-create ng another memories, no? Hindi po para kalimutan kung ano po yung pinagdaanan ni Catherine for 11 years with Daniel Padilla, but to create another memories with Alden. So, yun po yun. Sabi naman po ni Mr. Renato, Miss Dar ends, if anniversary of Katniel, what's the point of celebrating anniversary when in fact break na rin si Daniel at Catherine? Which is very true, diba? Tama naman po yun. So, parang kasi syempre medyo masakit pa rin sa part ni Miss Catherine dahil memorable nga yung time na yun, yung date na yun. So, ang ginawa po ni Alden just to ease the pain na meron po ngayon si Catherine na nararamdaman dahil nga anniversary ng Katniel yun. So, ang ginawa po niya, kinancel niya po yung kanyang trip to Japan just to be with Miss Catherine. Sabi naman po ng isa pang commentator natin, ito. Sabi, congratulations Catherine. And Miss Cathy Hill said, Alden Richards, know where you came from, where you enjoy fame and glory during the Aldab Nation. They will also not, Mr. Alden Richards will not forget, no, yung mga pagkakataon na yun. Kaya hindi nyo po kailangan yun isumbat sa kanya. Sabi po ni Sir Compatible, nakakilig naman talaga sila, lalo na kung paano ang tabayanan ni Alden si Kat. Parang tingin ko nga sila na kaso need pa talaga nila itago. Ako rin po, sa pakiramdam ko parang sila na, pero dahil gusto nga nila ng pribadong relationship, they keep it private. And Resavas, Alden has been vocal about his priorities in life. Part of this is Kat. Congratulations, Catherine. Yan. So, ilan yan sa mga komento po ng mga viewers po natin dito sa ating pong channel. At kayo po na pong sa loobin niyo patungkol sa ating latest updates, mag-comment lang po kayo sa ating comment section. And that's it for today. For more videos and updates, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And please don't forget to follow my Facebook page, Dar Eds TV. God bless everyone.